When I'm asked to share my experiences with racism, I often start with something that might seem small to some, but it carries deep meaning for me. People touching my hair without my permission. It happens more often than you'd think. Some reach out of curiosity, wondering how my curls twist and coil. Others act out of ignorance, or worse, they exoticize me. My hair becomes a spectacle, something to marvel at, joke about, criticize for not fitting into your centric beauty standards. So if you don't experience racism, I ask you, sit with the discomfort, listen without interrupting, without explaining, without centering your guilt. These stories are not performances, they are truths, often shared at a cost. My hair carries history, identity, pride, and pain I don't share lightly, but I share it now with the hope that you not only hear me, but you would do something with what you have heard.